Hey everyone, John Sanders here with Boozooz Interactive, and welcome to our Creating Search Engine Friendly video course. In this course, we're going to show you exactly how to create powerful videos that get ranked on the search engines. We're going to show you simple tools to create these videos and simple strategies for helping them rank high on Google. And so let's dive in and join us now as we talk about optimizing your YouTube page. Here we go. Alright, so let's go over these powerful online video stats because it's very important for you to understand just how effective or how broad the scope of video marketing is online. And so 179 million U.S. internet users watched nearly 38 billion of online video content in February of 2012. And Google reports that 75% of U.S. smartphone owners watch online video on their phones, and 26% do so every single day. And online video now accounts for 50% of all mobile traffic and up to 69% of traffic in certain networks. That's staggering. And it also shows you a shift that people are using their phones more and more, and they're using it to consume video. And this stat is very important, this next one, as it relates to search engine optimization. Video is 57% more likely to rank on the first page of Google over text. And that's really good news for us because we're going to create some really neat videos here that will help you get that online presence without even needing a website. I'm not saying you shouldn't have one, but you don't need one to make these videos. Okay, so what are some ways that realtors can use video marketing? Well, first, you can use video marketing to showcase your open houses. There's do a virtual open house for your sellers. You can also create a profile for yourself about your business, okay? You can also use video marketing to showcase listings, to do a walkthrough of a listing, to really show people, the buyers that are looking online, your listings and how beautiful they are. And one of my favorite methods, and what we're going to talk about today, is a community neighborhood profile. And so what this is that you can actually profile a community and position yourself as an authority in that community by creating these videos. And you don't need a listing in that neighborhood to become an authority. We're going to show you how to create videos without having a listing. And so what happens is when people see you online in that neighborhood, they're going to instantly see you as an authority, and the likelihood of them picking you to do a listing for them in that neighborhood or using you as a realtor to buy a house in that neighborhood dramatically increases. Okay, and so what are some ways that you can do video marketing or create videos? Well, first is the obvious one is to have one professionally produced. These can be expensive. That you can hire a production company, or there's freelance photographers, video guys out there that'll do it for you. But you're looking at thousands of dollars to do that. Which, if it fits in your budget, I definitely would recommend it. Video, as I showed you earlier, is very powerful, and so professionally produced videos are an option as well. You can also self-produce them. There's a lot of realtors out there that will produce them using their iPhones or other just their camera, and they turn out good as well. And so if you have some experience with photography, or if you just want to give that a shot, you can as well, just doing a self-produced video. There's also virtual tour software that you can purchase. A lot of it's cloud-based, meaning it's online, and you can create virtual tours of your listings, and it's a good way to go as well, but the cost can vary. A lot of them have monthly fees. The method that we're going to talk about today are slideshow videos, okay? And slideshow videos are taking pictures and creating a video from those pictures. And they're very easy to do. And I'm going to show you some very, very simple strategies for creating these slideshow videos. You're going to love how easy it is to do. You don't need to be technical at all. You just need to be able to drag and drop. And if you know how to send and attach a document to an email, you'll know how to create these videos. It's that simple. And so the slideshow video is powerful because it's cheap, first of all. But you can make it very quickly, and the more content you put out there, the more eyeballs you'll have on your listings and on you as a service. So, why should you use YouTube? Well, the obvious answer is it's free. There's no cost to it. Okay, so you can upload as many videos as you want to your YouTube channel, and it's not going to cost you a dime. YouTube is also the third most visited website in the world People love video. It goes back to those stats that we talked about. YouTube gets tons and tons of traffic, and so you should be putting your content where people are going. And this is actually really surprising, but YouTube is the second largest search engine next to Google. And so people are searching for content on YouTube more than they are on Bing or Yahoo. So think about that. Think about how are your buyers, are your sellers, are they looking for content on YouTube? If so, shouldn't you be on there as well? And YouTube is the world's largest video sharing platform. YouTube gets over 3 billion views every single day. And for our purposes, for SEO, Google loves it. That means that when you put videos on YouTube, Google's going to find it. Google's going to put it into their search results. And that is very, very powerful. And we're going to show you how to create a YouTube channel and to how to upload videos to your YouTube channel. But just know that YouTube is the most powerful video sharing platform out there. Okay, so now that I got you all excited about video and you're probably ready to start your YouTube page, let's take a step back and talk about search engine optimization, or SEO, because understanding basic SEO is going to help you get your YouTube page to rank better, okay? And so a lot of people, when they hear SEO, they think it's something very technical and it's very difficult to do, but I'm going to hopefully show you here that it's simple, and that regardless of your technical skills, that you can be an SEO expert, and I mean that sincerely. And so the definition of SEO is the organic process of getting your content indexed and ranked by search engines. It's just getting your content found by the search engines. And yes, there are some steps that you need to take to do that, but it's just, if you have good content, you can get it on the search engines. Okay, so just so we know and we're on the same page, here I want to show you a Google search result page. And this section right here is what we call the paid or pay-per-click listings. Okay, these are people that paid Google to be on this first page. The organic or natural search result is this middle section right here. Okay, no one has paid to be here. And so what we're going to do in this course is we're going to show you how to get your YouTube videos to rank in this section right here on the first page of Google. And in fact, this is a section where most people click on anyway. And so being on the organic search for your keywords or your search terms is extremely powerful. Okay, so how does Google determine rankings? Google looks at two factors. First, there's on-page optimization. On-page optimization refers to the things that you can do to your YouTube page in order for Google to find it, okay? One of the main things you want to do is to put keywords on your page. And we're going to discuss all this in detail when we go to the YouTube tutorial. But keywords are just search terms people use or put into Google when they're looking for something. So, for instance, if I'm looking for homes for sale in Dallas, I go to Google and probably type something like homes for sale in Dallas. Homes for sale in Dallas is a keyword. A keyword can be just one word, or it can be several keywords like homes for sale in Dallas. It just means a search term that someone puts into Google. Okay, and so having an idea of what people are typing into Google and what they're searching for will really help you determine the strategy you use for your on-page optimization. Okay, so on-page optimization also talks about or refers to the technical side of SEO, like the navigation, page name structure, the type of platform that the website's built on. Well, you don't need to worry about any of that with YouTube, because YouTube's already created a very search engine friendly platform. You just have to put in your content. But I just wanted to put this on here so you know that the technical side of SEO, like the way the website's structured, is part of on-page optimization. So stuff that you can do to the page. Another aspect that's very important to on-page optimization is anchor text. Okay, anchor text just refers as putting a link into a keyword or phrase. And so instead of linking just directly to ebby.com, what you want to do is embed that link into a keyword like Plano real estate. That way, when Google crawls either your website or they come into your blog and they see this link that says Plano real estate and it links back to the Ebby website, it gives it SEO points for that link. And so it's a very, very powerful way to link your content, is using anchor text linking. So on-page optimization is important, but off-page optimization, which I'm going to discuss now, is equally as important. And what that is Google looks at the number of incoming links to your YouTube page to determine its popularity and ranking, okay? And so we refer to these kind of links as backlinks. So think about it like this. The more people link to your content or to your video, the more popular it looks, okay? Because Google can crawl the entire internet. And what happens is, if they see all these links everywhere and it links to your YouTube page or your website, Google sees it as being popular and it'll rank it higher on Google. And so we're going to actually go through and talk to you about ways that you can help your content link on the internet, and so it rapidly goes up the search engines. We're going to go in that section, we're going to talk about several different strategies that you can use. And so now let's take a look at setting up your YouTube account.